G'day and welcome to Kalbarri National Park. My name is Mike Paxman. I've been Senior Ranger here for over 20 years and this is my backyard. 186,000 hectares of ancient river gorge, florally diverse sand plain and magnificent coastal cliffs. So the heart of the attraction in the National Park lies within the Murchison Gorge itself. 80 kilometres of gorge that winds its way through the National Park. It's ancient landscape. Now within the gorge there are a heap of attractions. This new one, obviously the Kalbarri Skywalk, perched 100 metres above the gorge and the Murchison River. But there are other sites like Ross Graham, Hawks Head, Zed Bend, the Loop and of course the iconic Nature's Window. Thanks for listening to this story. I can't wait to welcome you and show you around Kalbarri National Park, my backyard in the Coral Coast Highway.